Let's talk about 3 simple exercises you could be doing at home after your total knee replacement, assuming you've talked about this with your physical therapist or orthopedic surgeon. The first one is what we call a long arc quad, LAQ, and it's really simple. All I'm doing is I'm straightening the leg and then letting it bend. The mistake that a lot of patients make is they see the foot go up and come back down and they think, oh, I need to lift the leg. It's not a hip exercise. What it is I am tightening the quadricep, which naturally elevates the foot, but I'm not lifting my hip. My hip should stay completely relaxed. This is called a long arc quad. It's on most acute post-op total knee replacement protocols. Now, once we do, get comfortable extending the knee. Then from here, we can do a straight leg deadlift, a straight leg raise. A straight leg raise is I keep my quad tight, I pull my toes back, and I lift the leg as a straight unit. This would be something most patients are going to repeat 10 to 12 repetitions, 2 to 3 sets, maybe one in the morning and one in the evening. But this is activating the quadricep, the hip flexors, the muscles around the leg. The third is a active hamstring knee flexion. So what I'm doing here is I'm pushing my leg down as I'm attempting to bend the knee. So in this position, the knee is hardly bent, but my hamstring is working. I would hold this isometric contraction for 5 to 7 seconds. I would repeat it 10 times. And then I would do it in a second position where the knee is flexed. And so now I'm pulling the heel back into the couch, relaxing. There's little or no movement. I'm pulling the knee back into the couch, relaxing. Hold the contraction 5 to 7 times. Repeat to 10 to 12 repetitions, 2 to 3 sets. These 3 exercises are regaining the muscular control, the neurological muscular control, so that you can feel the muscles doing what they need to do. And then we can use those muscles for functional movements like squatting and lunging and bending and stooping and going up and down stairs, stepping over obstacles, all the stuff we need to do in the real world. Guys, if you have any questions about total knee replacement, rehab, recovery, absolutely post your questions in the comments. My name's Tony Maritato. I'm a licensed physical therapist, and I am happy to share the information that I've collected over treating probably 1,000 patients over the last 20 years. Guys, I wish you the best.